Making crafts can be relaxing in and of itself, but there are times when people become interested in making money from their talents. It can be anything from cross-stitching to knitting to painting. People are always looking for something whimsical and handmade to decorate their homes with. Tatiana is a woman who lives in Russia who has found fun in making animals from wool. She felts the wool to create a soft, fluffy appearance that definitely holds together. She adds glass eyes to finish the look, creating creatures that are soft and amusing to look at. This adorable hedgehog, for one, is quite a treasure to look at and would make a great addition to any home. This fox gazes up with loving eyes, with curly whiskers that give it a mischievous appearance. She even creates several breeds of puppies if you're a dog lover at heart. From pugs to otters, wild animals, domestic animals, and even farm animals, Tatiana's skills are definitely being put to good use in creating these beautiful and adorable animals. She definitely is going places with her talents. She provides shipping all over the world to people who are interested in paying for her creations. Why not consider investing in one of these beautiful felt animals and adding one or several to the decor in your home? Share away, people!